Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make easy and delicious chicken curry. I got this chicken curry recipe from my friend years ago, and it's always been one of my favorite ways to cook curry. It combines curry blocks with coconut milk, which should be easily found at your local grocery store. I actually made this for my family the other day, and everyone loved it, including my kids. So let's get started. Heat oil in a pan over medium-high heat and sauté 1 sliced onion. Cook until onions have softened. This will take about 3 minutes. Add 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into small pieces and cook for another 3 minutes. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Really quick funny story. The other night before I was filming this video, I woke up in the middle of the night and I frantically woke up my husband and I asked him, "Do you put pepper in your curry?" And he looked at me, said no, and went back to sleep. Mind you, my husband does not know how to cook at all. Those kind of dreams happen a lot, and I guess you can say I think and dream about cooking constantly. That happens when you're passionate about something, right? Stir in 2 cups of water, 1 15.3 ounce of canned coconut milk, and 1 box of Golden Curry Japanese curry mix. Those last 2 ingredients you should be able to find in the Asian section of your local grocery store. Break up the curry blocks and stir until it's completely dissolved into the sauce. I was always passionate about cooking, and I've turned it into a purpose by helping others make simple and delicious meals. I was listening to a podcast the other day, and it was talking about purpose. And what purpose is taking whatever you're good at, whatever you're talented or gifted at, and using it to serve others. And everybody has a different purpose, and when you figure it out, it honestly feels like home. Don't get me wrong though, I wasn't born with the ability to cook. And when I first made my first soup, it took me a whole 3 hours. But in the end, my family loved it, and that's when I developed my love for cooking. And now, helping others with recipe ideas has been so fulfilling. No wonder why I dream about it at night. Stir in 2 carrots peeled and cut into 1-inch pieces, and 2 potatoes peeled and cut into chunks. Stir everything and bring to a boil. Reduce heat to medium-low, cover and let simmer until potatoes are tender. This will take about 25 minutes, stirring occasionally. Midway through, you want to check your seasonings and add salt to taste. And this is completely optional and not part of my friend's recipe. I like to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of curry powder, just for a bit more of that curry flavor. Also, if you don't know what your purpose is, and I know you have one, just figure it out by trying different things. It could be working in a charity, taking care of animals, being a mom, being a teacher. And just like for me and how I heard it on the podcast, it'll feel like home when you realize what it is. Also, I'll leave a link of the podcast in the description below if you're interested in listening to it. All right, our curry is now done, and it looks so hearty, delicious, and comforting. If you haven't made curry before, I suggest you try this recipe as your first because it's so simple and so flavorful. This is actually one of my first curry recipes that I've tried, and it still remains one of my favorites, thanks to my friend. And of course, you can't serve curry without some steamed rice. When I think of comfort food, I think of a bowl of this. So good. You guys, don't forget to check out all my other simple and delicious recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.